HP thin client, how to solve the overheating problem, right? So what I'm going to do here is to make sure that I check on the power where to get the voltage, so I can get 12 volts from here, right? Make sure that you get exactly the voltage 12 or less than 12, right? So when this PC is overheating, what will happen is the fan must be turning, right? In this way, it must turn. You can see now I'm trying to attach this cable here so everything can run together, right? This is what must happen here. So the fan must be able to cool up the whole system inside, right? So this is what we need to do so that the PC won't overheat. All right. So the only thing that I have to do here now is to welder. Let me show you exactly where to welder this. I must be able to welder this from this part here. You see the capacitor here and the switch from this diode here. This is where you must put your red cable here. You must put on your red cable. Let me go clear. At least clear. This cable must go here. This cable must go here. So you must be able to switch on your welding system and welder it, right? So I want to show you how to solve this matter. So what I did is to get a mini fan here that I will just put somewhere here so that it can rotate, and so there's too much heat here. There's too much heat here. So when I put this fan here, it will at least cool up the whole system, right? So let's go and welder that one. My job is not too much here. My job is to make sure that the welder goes there, attached. So we can switch off. And now we must be able to plug in the system, right? Let's see if we plug in our system in order for it to pick up. So here we go. The fan is running, as you can see. So what you do is you make sure that you put your fan here, right? So that everything can be able to make a better cooling off. So let's check the voltage. It's 12 volts. So make sure that your black cable goes on the ground, which is the whole body of the PC. Sometimes it's called earthing or earth line or earth cable. So the red one must go to the diodes there on under 12 volts in case you are using the 12 volt mini fan here, a cooling fan. So That's it. The whole system here is supposed to be cooling. It's not gonna overheat. I guarantee you that, because in most cases these computers, they overheat a lot. So I guarantee you that you will have your own PC cooling without overheating. So that's it, my people. Make sure that you got yourself a fan, and then you put it inside there, and then you close the whole system, then it works for good. Right. So on my case here, the system is working very well. So after that, what you can do is to make sure that you do the better thing here. Make sure that this is attached here, no movement at all. Believe me, if you did like this in your system, the whole internal of the PC will be cooling off, right, instead of overheating. Because what is needed is to cool off the whole CPU and the hard drive unit, right? So let's go. I have to close up this PC. So this is the hard drive that I have inserted instead of this is SATA module. I removed it and put the hard drive instead of the original SATA module. So this plastic should be able to do the balancing of this hard drive not to move up and down, right? So what I'm going to do is to close the whole system here, and then I will make sure that it works well before everything is final. So this is the way it is, and then I have to check on the lid here, and then we must make sure that we close it nicely. Did we make a good closing here? Yes, we did. So looks like this other side is not closed. Yeah, this all sides are closed properly. So let me also go to the other side to make a thorough closing. So this is how it's supposed to go. It's closed. Let me try to make sure that everything is closed properly here. I must never damage this system. So everything is closed properly. And then here comes the final part. So let us see whether this system is working automatically. It is, and the fan is still going on there. I can just hear it running there, right? So that's it. You have done. The system won't be able to overheat, right? It can go for more than hours and hours and hours without overheating. So that's it, your HP system here. it won't be able to overheat. You can hear the fan running there. Right, we are out. Subscribe at my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.